Hello, my name is Jayden and this is my DIY project. My DIY project is going to be how to clean a gun. Just to let everyone know, I checked to make sure the action was open and there was no ammo in it. Okay, the things you'll need is your gun, which mine is a 12 gauge shotgun which I use for pheasant hunting. You also need a gun cleaning kit, which includes a plunger with a bristled brush, a cloth brush, a small cloth pad, and another holder for your cloth pad, some rust prevention oil, lubricant oil, and some cleaning solvent. The reason I chose this project is because South Dakota is a large hunting state, so this will be a very good DIY project if you would like to learn how to clean your gun. So the first thing you do is you take your gun, you point it down and away from you. You take your plunger with the bristled edge and you just insert it into the top of the gun. You plunge it about 2 or 3 times or however many you feel necessary. The reason you use this bristled plunger is because it gets rid of the large debris and stuff that may be left over from your last hunting experience. So then after you use this bristled brush, you remove it, you take out your cloth brush, and you screw it on like so. Once the cloth brush is on, this is when the solvent comes into hand. You take your solvent and you dump a few drops onto here to get it a little bit moist. And what the solvent does is it just wipes all the left out lead that you have in there. So like I said last time, you pump it in there 2 or 3 times, just get it, wiggle it around a little bit, make sure you get all of it. And what this does is smooths it out. Once you have done that part of the process, you take out the cloth pad and the cloth pad holder and you screw it back onto your plunger. The reason we use the cloth pad, is a small cloth pad, is to check to see if it's cleaned. And so then you can see if you need to repeat the process or not, which we keep our guns pretty clean, so hopefully it will be good. What you do is you insert the corner through this small slot and you pull it through until it's in there pretty snug. This one you kind of have to push down and rotate to make sure that's all good, to wipe everything clean. And as you can see, it is a little dark, which isn't too bad. It's pretty clean. So after you've done that, then you take your gun and you spray some oil in the action. The reason you want to spray the oil in the action is to make sure that you get it good and loose. You can also spray some on the pump a little bit to make sure that's good and loose too, because you want a nice easy pump. So once you have that done, you can take a little bit of this rust-free oil and spray it on a rag and wipe all around your gun to get it shine and prevent the rust and overall make it look nicer. Thank you. That is my DIY project on how to clean a gun.